Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with the Creality K1C, a high-speed 3D printer that's making waves in the printing community. We found this product online and have added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Creality K1C? This is an upgraded 3D printer that boasts an impressive maximum printing speed of 600 mm per second, thanks to its advanced CoreXY motion system. This remarkable speed, combined with a staggering acceleration of 20,000 mm per second squared, allows the K1C to produce high-quality prints 12 times faster than traditional 3D printers. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features that make the K1C a game-changer. One of its most notable features is the clog-free direct extruder paired with the innovative tri-metal unicorn nozzle. This setup not only allows for smooth filament flow but also supports printing with advanced materials such as carbon fiber filaments. The robust design includes a bolster spring and a ball plunger, ensuring a strong grip and enhanced reliability during operation. Another feature to highlight is the hands-free auto-calibration and dynamic balancing system. With just a single tap, the printer can auto-level itself, making setup a breeze. The printhead fans are designed to be dynamically balanced, significantly reducing vibration and minimizing any ringing or ghosting in your prints. In addition, the K1C comes equipped with an AI camera as standard. This smart feature continuously monitors the printing process, alerting you to any foreign objects or malfunctions, and even offers time-lapse photography capabilities. This means you can keep an eye on your projects without having to hover over them. The enclosed chamber design, combined with a hot end that can reach temperatures of up to 300 degrees Celsius, allows the K1C to handle a variety of high-temperature, wear-resistant filaments like PLACF, PCF, and PETCF. This makes it an ideal choice for those looking to experiment with carbon fiber 3D printing. For those who are concerned about noise, the K1C features a silent mode that can reduce operating noise to just 45 decibels, allowing you to work or relax without disruption. Plus, the built-in air purification system effectively removes odors and particulates produced during printing. So, who is the Creality K1C suitable for? This printer is perfect for both hobbyists and professionals alike. Whether you're a seasoned 3D printing expert or just getting started, the K1C's user-friendly features and robust performance make it an excellent choice for a wide range of applications, from intricate prototypes to functional parts. In practical use cases, you can leverage the K1C for creating custom parts for robotics, unique designs for cosplay, or even intricate architectural